Hello everyone and welcome to my second update video on my Panda palette project for 2020. If you don't know, I'm attempting to pan the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette, and yeah, it's my second month in, and I can tell you that I haven't hit pan yet, and I can also promise you that I will not be able to use this palette up completely, because even though the pans are smaller than in the normal 15 pan palettes Natasha Denona has, it's so densely packed in it, and just a lot of shadow. So yeah, I did rearrange the colors in a different order last update. So this is what it looks like, and I think when I dip it, maybe you will see. Yeah, this is my update. And these two colors are the ones I do use the most on my eyelids. So this is, I'm gonna swatch you because I didn't do any swatching the last two videos. So the first one is more like a coppery color, and the other one is a standard basic neutral pink, if you will say so. And yeah, these are the colors I do use the most. Oh look, much better. Yeah, well, so I have to say that these three colors are more or less the same. I'm gonna swatch you the other two as well. I mean, they're maybe a little bit different than the first one, but all in all, let's see, one's bit. So this is a little bit lighter, but these two are very similar, and especially on the eye, you nearly see no difference at all. So I would rather like to have another color instead of one of these shades in it. I really do miss a light, dusty, more lilac-y matte color, which I had in my soft glam palette, because I have to say I still do miss my soft glam palette. Sometimes I'm just thinking maybe I just use this and put this one aside, just because I do like it much more. Anyway, this is, I'm lost in pinks, you know, and the only two pink colors which are in here are these two. So this I already swatched, and this is kind of a very, oh, where's that? There. So, okay, let's swatch the other one again. So these are the only pinkish colors I do have, and I have a vest in my apartment. Ooh. Okay, I will finish this video first. So anyway, I do really want to use more pinkish colors, and it's a little bit frustrating to look at this palette and only see warm neutral colors most of the time. I mean, you do have some colors on the bottom and this pink, or the pinkish reddish color here, but most of the time it's just warm neutral. So I have to say, normally I really do like warm neutral, so that's also a reason why I bought this palette in the first place. But somehow, I don't know, I'm just craving pinks at the moment. So it's a little bit difficult for me to pick this palette up every time, because sometimes I'm thinking I should have just picked my Lila palette from Natasha Denona, because in there I have a lot of pink and lilac-y colors. It will probably make me much happier. But yeah, I did commit to this one and I still do have these pink colors. So I will focus on these two and then I will see how far I come, because to be honest, maybe I really do need a whole year just to use these two up completely, because yeah, it's so much product in each of the pan. But on the other side, it's good because this was a very expensive one. So you get, at least you get product for your money, you know? And for the quality, I still do like it. Still a little bit of a bummer that there are only these 3 shades, which I consider mattes, which I consider not that dark on the lid, which you can use every day, because the green, I'm not sure. I'm more into pinks than greens, and yeah, I'm not so familiar with the greens, so I did use it, I think 2 or 3 times this month, but it's not a shade I gravitate to for an everyday makeup. Wow, the Vespers. Okay, anyway, yeah, that's my palette. So for the next months I will use these 2 colors, and I think I will also, if I want to do a more like a warm toned makeup look, I will gravitate to this one here in the middle, I think, because it already has some kind of a dip, so I'm just gonna focus on it. Alright, that's my video. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you're doing well with your Panda palette or any kind of eyeshadow panning project for this year, and I hope you will be here on my next update video as well. So, bye!